Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's navigate into the settings. From here we're gonna select storage. Once it loads it up, you wanna click right here on this drop down where it says this device, and then select your SD card. From here, tap on these three dots in a corner and select Format. Now this will give you a quick message letting you know that formatting removes everything from the card, so if you have anything stored on your SD card that you like to preserve, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this data will be completely lost and this cannot be undone. Now, assuming you have already made your copy to some other device like a computer, you can proceed further, or maybe you just don't want to back it up. Again, you can also proceed. Select Format SD card. This will begin automatically formatting it, and this process only takes a couple of seconds to finish up and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.